Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is deep learning. Let's start it. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves the use of artificial neural networks to analyze and interpret data. It's called deep because these networks have multiple layers allowing them to learn complex patterns and relationships in data. Some key aspects of deep learning: first is neural networks inspired by human brain. Neural networks are composed of layers of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information. Second is layer. Deep learning models typically have multiple layers, such each processing and transforming the data in a different way. Third is activation functional. Each node applies an activation function to the data. Introducing non-linearity and allowing the model to learn complex relationships. Four is propagation, an algorithm used to train deep learning models by minimizing the error between prediction and actual outputs. Five is large amount of data. Deep learning models require vast amount of data to learn and generalize well. Application of deep learning: first is computer vision, image recognition, object detection, segmentation and generation. Uh, Second is natural language processing, NLP, text classification, language translation, sentiment analysis and chatbots. Third is speech recognition, voice assistant, speech text to text system, and voice recognition. Four is robotics controls and navigation system for robots. Five is healthcare, medical image analysis, diseases diagnosis, and personalized medical medicine. Popular deep learning framework: first is TensorFlow, second is PyTorch, third is it Carrizo, four is Cafe, five is Microsoft Cognitive, Toolkit C and TK. Here are some additional aspects of deep learning. First is type of deep learning models. First is convolutional neural network, CNNS. B is recurrent neural networks, RNNS. C is generative adversarial network, GANS. D is transforms. E is auto encoders. Deep learning techniques: transfer learning, fit tuning, batch normalization, dropout regularization. Deep learning application: image generation, image to image translation, video analysis, natural language generation, time series prediction. Deep learning tools and libraries: TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, OpenCV, Scikit-learn. Deep learning challenges: overfitting, underfitting, um, vanishing gradients, exploding gradients, adversarial attacks. Deep learning research: deep learning for computer vision, deep learning for NLP, deep learning for robotics, deep learning for healthcare, deep learning for finance. Here are some additional deep learning topics. First is explainable AI, XAI, techniques for interpreting and explainable deep learning models. Second is adversarial robustness, methods for defending against adversarial attacks on the deep learning models. Third is transfer learning, using pre-trained model for new tasks and domains. Four is multitask learning, training a single model for multiple tasks simultaneously. Five is meta learning, training models for model to learn and adapt quickly to new tasks. Six is deep reinforcement learning, using learning for decision making and control in complex environments. Seven is generative models, using deep learning for to generate new data samples such as images to text. Eight is deep learning for time series using deep learning for forecasting and analysis for deep series data.